Push the button, make the choice. Lights on, screens alive. We step into the digital drive. You ask me why we click, why we tap. It's more than code in a system's map. Ease of use, it's in our hands. Perceived, believed, it makes demands. If it feels right, you'll take the chance. If it's useful too, you'll join the dance. Push the button, make the choice. Technology's calling, hear its voice. If it's easy, if it's true, you'll say yes, you'll break through.